Welcome to the customer management tutorial. While the check-in kiosk handles walk-in arrivals, the customers page is where you manage your entire customer database, adding new profiles, editing details, reviewing purchase history, and exporting data. This page is available to admins and managers from the sidebar navigation. When you open the customers page, the first thing you'll notice is a blue location indicator banner at the top showing which locations customers you're viewing. Customers are scoped to your current location, so if you have multiple dispensaries, make sure the right one is selected before you start working. Below the location indicator is the page header with the title Customers and a green Add Customer button with a plus icon. This button opens the customer creation modal, which we'll look at in a moment. The search and filter bar sits just below the header. There's a search field where you can type a customer's name, email, phone number, or medical card number, then press Enter or click the search button to find them. Next to the search bar are two drop-down filters. The first lets you filter by customer type: all customers, medical only, recreational only, or inactive. The second lets you sort the list by name, total spent, number of visits, or recent activity. There's also a download icon button on the far right that exports your entire customer list to a CSV file, which is useful for marketing campaigns or compliance audits. The main area of the page is a table with columns for customer, type, contact, visits, total spent, last visit, and status. Each row shows the customer's name with a green avatar circle, their date of birth, a badge indicating medical or recreational, their email and phone number, visit count, lifetime spending total, the date of their last visit, and an active or inactive status badge. The table supports server-side pagination. You'll see controls at the bottom showing which range of customers you're viewing, with first, previous, numbered page buttons, next, and last page navigation. Each page loads 100 customers at a time. Clicking any row in the table expands it to reveal the full customer detail panel. This expanded view is divided into several sections. The contact information section shows their email, phone, and full mailing address. The medical information section shows their medical card number and expiration date if they're a medical patient, and if the card is expired, a red "Card Expired" warning appears. The purchase summary section shows their total visits, total amount spent, average purchase amount calculated from those two numbers, and the date of their last visit. Below the summary is the order history section. When you expand a customer row, the system automatically loads their last 20 transactions. Each transaction card shows the transaction number, the date and time, the payment method with a colored badge, green for cash, blue for card, and the total amount. Expanding further shows the individual line items with product names, quantities, and prices. If a transaction has more than 5 items, you'll see a +X more items note. Tax amounts are displayed at the bottom of each transaction card. If the customer is enrolled in your loyalty program, a loyalty rewards section appears showing their current points balance in purple, lifetime points earned, lifetime points redeemed, and the date they became a member. Any customer notes are also displayed in their own section at the bottom. At the very bottom of the expanded detail panel is a blue Edit Customer button. Clicking it opens the customer modal pre-populated with all of that customer's existing data. Let's talk about the Add and Edit Customer modal, since both use the same form. The modal is organized into 4 sections. Personal information comes first with fields for first name, last name, email, phone, which auto-formats as you type into the standard parentheses dash pattern, and date of birth, which is required and must confirm the customer is 21 or older. The second section is medical patient information. There's a checkbox to mark the customer as a medical patient. Checking it reveals a green-tinted area with fields for medical card number, card expiry date, and a text area for medical recommendations or doctor's notes. The third section is address, with fields for street address, city, a state dropdown, and zip code. The fourth section is preferences and notes, which includes a marketing opt-in checkbox for promotions and new product communications, and a large notes field for recording product preferences, allergies, or special requirements. At the bottom of the modal, the Cancel button discards changes and closes the form, while the green button reads Add Customer for new entries or Update Customer when editing. The Save button is disabled until the required fields, first name, last name, and date of birth, are filled in. After saving, you'll get a Success Toast confirmation and the customer list refreshes automatically. That covers everything you need to manage your customer database: searching, filtering, sorting, adding new customers, editing existing profiles, reviewing purchase history, checking loyalty status, and exporting to CSV. In the next video, we'll show how the check-in queue connects to the POS so budtenders can pull customers directly into a transaction.